So for our project in data visualization, we got the data set named travel agency data set, which contains the 5 sheets and also contains the missing value. So our project is divided into the 3 step. The first thing is pre-processing, which we have done using the orange. The second thing is building cube in Olap, and the third thing is visualization using the graphs in Tableau. So the first step of our project is pre-processing. So we have done the pre-processing by using the orange tool, by importing the some appropriate values in the missing values. So you can see here there are 1 2 3 4 5. The first sheet is customer sheet, the second sheet is branches, the third is tour plan, fourth is booking, and fifth is last one billing. So there are some missing values in the orange, and we have to replace it by using the imputation, and after that we have to save the data accordingly, and after that we have merged this all data into the Excel, which contains the complete clean data of a travel agency. Now the second step is building a cube using the Olap. So I have imported my clean data set into the Olap cube writer, in which I have joined the all common columns to the different sheets. So you can see that I have joined the billing with the bookings, tour plans with the customers, and all such things. So at the left corner you can see that I have inserted 4 dimension, that is branch name, country, month, and tour type, and measure is count of booking ID and count of month. So after clicking on the build cube, you can see that what kind of cube or chart I have built in the Olap. The first thing is count of booking as per tour type. So if you hover on it, you can see that which kind of tour type has how many kinds of booking, and according to the all travels. So you can find it by just hovering on it. Now the third and last step is making different kind of charts to make analysis of the data sets by using the Tableau. So in this chart, what we have done, the first thing, that is top performing branches in terms of net revenue. So we have used the calculated field here, and from here we are getting the different branches according to their net revenue, and the last we have getting the grand total of it. The next chart is showing which city generate the highest total revenue. Here is the city name, where you can see that the different city where the revenue is generated. The third thing is customer is distribution by country and gender. Here you can get the average age of customer and the number of bookings by the customer in country India, which is grouped by their age. Next dashboard, we have created a chart, that is bubble chart, pie chart, Pareto chart, and the bar chart. In the bubble chart, in the first very chart, we can see that what are the top travel destination by the age group. So we have done the calculated field by making the average of the customer age, and after hovering on it, we get the city where the customer is traveling. The next thing is top 5 revenue contributing branches. Here we are getting the 5 top branches, so that the travel agency will get the insight to where they can invest. The next thing is how the booking ID correlate with the customer age and gender. Here we have used the group in which there is a young age, senior, and the middle age. At the last chart, what we have done, we have made the total revenue as a calculated field, in which we are getting the city where the revenue is more than 9 lakh, and we can change it accordingly. On the next dashboard, we have made the bubble chart, the donut chart, the map, and the bar chart. In the bubble chart, we are getting the two type which has a pricing more than 4500. Basically here we are getting the which is the most popular tour type, in which the number of bookings are high. So we have done it in a bubble chart. The next thing is which month, in a donut chart, which month did customer travel the most. Here we are getting that count of 2 plans, in which the October month, if we go to the October month, there are 22 count of 2 plans accordingly. So in the next, there is a map where you can get that country wise total revenue and how many bookings are there in the country. So if there is a four travel agency in Canada, there are total revenue is more than 9 lakh and number of booking is 372. In the very next dashboard we have make the tree map, the bubble chart, bar chart and the pie chart, on which in the tree map we have made bookings by age group and total revenue, where we are getting the number of bookings, total revenue age wise. So there is a three age group: middle age, senior and the young age. In the next we have make the count of booking month wise, in which month we have the highest booking. So there is a month called October. And the next thing is popularity of two type according to the month, in which we are getting the months uh, popularity of two type into the months. So if we hover on the January, we get that there is a two type historical is the famous. In the April there is a nature is famous. So travel agency will get the insight to invest in the particular two type. In the next dashboard we have made the line chart, bar chart and Pareto chart, where the first thing is about the tour wise revenue and discount offered. So what kind of discount they are offering according to the tour type, here we can get it. In the next we are getting the revenue per bookings according to the tour type. In the next we are getting the trend line in the line chart, where there is a duration for which the customer are staying and the total revenue of it. On the very next chart we are getting the distribution of a average discount country wise, means in Canada the travel agency are giving 7.9 discount accordingly for all the countries. Next we have made the chart using the joins in a tableau. The first chart is tree map, in which we are getting the average duration stayed by customer, which is month wise. So we are getting it here. The next we have made the Pareto chart by using the line chart and the bar chart, where we are getting the month wise number of bookings trends, and in the bar chart we are getting the average duration and price according to the tour type. Next we have made the full outer join by using the two tables, in which we are getting the line chart of trend of bookings, month wise offer check-in date. Here we are getting the trend line of number of bookings according to the month of check-in date. Here we have used the calculated field for number of bookings. In the next chart we are getting the pie chart. Basically it is giving the how many there are number of customers which are the male customer, and how many of are the female customer. We are getting the age of it. So that was all the chart. In conclusion, we can say that we are able to identify the top cities and branches by their revenue and bookings, and we get the insight to the travel agency into the deep. The next thing, we are able to identify the discount and pricing strategies which will boost the profit of the travel agency. And the peak travel period, we get the peak travel period where we can invest more in a different travel agency. So it was all from our side, and thank you.